Hey guys, this is Gabriel from Aussie Reels USA. We're going to show you how to install Aussie Barracuda reel onto a pipe gun. This specific pipe gun is a Bleutec GFM Simple. So we're going to begin by opening up the box. Inside this box you're going to have a gun specific adapter pad. You're going to have your clamps with 4 screws inside of there. And you're going to have the reel. So you're going to begin by undoing your tension. Once that's off, you get your pieces and set it on the side. Then you're going to take your adapter pad, and if you look at the base and the adapter pad, it's like a little puzzle, so you can just stick this right inside of here. All the way in, nice and tight, nice and snug. You're going to take your pipe gun and you're going to figure out where you want to put it. Put the reel. Once you got a good place to stick the reel, you're going to take your clamps and you're going to press them in. Do that on the other side. And you're just going to want to press all the way until the clamp and the base are completely flush. You're going to do that on the other side as well. Then you're going to take your 4 screws, 1 in each hole. And for me, I'm going to use an electric screwdriver. It's a lot faster than a conventional screwdriver. You do have to, however, be careful not to overpower it. So the max power on this screwdriver is about 20, so I like to do it at around 12, because if you use too high of a power setting, you can strip your clamp and then you have to get new clamps. So 1, sometimes the clamp isn't completely flush, and what you want to do is just want to back it out a little bit. Put a little bit more pressure on it. There we go, nice and tight. On the other side. After that, you're going to get your washer, your spool, your dewasher, your tension knob, and your end cap. There you go. I don't know, maybe it was like a 5-minute install on a pipe gun. The good thing with our reels is you got a 5-year warranty on this reel. Anything happens within that 5 years, we're going to take care of you. Even after the warranty period, if anything happens to your reel and a part breaks or something, we can have a replacement part to you, and you can have your reel up and running within about 1 minute of the part arriving at your doorstep. Also, these reels are meant to handle big fish. We've actually never had a retail customer break one of our current generation reels since they've been introduced. And there you have it, 5-minute install on a pipe gun without the need to drill your carbon, glass fiber, aluminum barrels, whatever you use. Super simple, super easy, meant to last. If you have any questions, just message us on Facebook or Instagram. It's Aussie Reels USA. or you can visit our website, www.aussiereelsusa.com. Thank you for watching.